Welcome to another trading section with FX Hunt. Another daily trading section with what? FX Hunt. So for those who are new here, this is FX Hunt. We come to the market on a daily basis, analyze the market, right? As you can see up here, analyze the market. Analysis done during Eastern section, and then we take our trade, what? Anticipating to take or execute an entry during what? New York section. So today is the 11th of September. And let's see what the market has for us today. So in US30, this is the 4-hour time frame in US30. Obviously, we are in an uptrend, right? That is what we have to keep in mind first of all. We are in an uptrend in US30, and all these I don't know if you could see this. All this move here, this is just a consolidation, right? All this move is just a consolidation. It's just a in consolidation, right?
So breaking down to the 15 minutes time frame, right, where we are going to be executing our entry. What are we waiting for? What are we expecting, right? So I told you guys, so we are obviously on the uptrend on the 4 hours time frame, but getting down to the 15 minutes time frame where price is currently at, price is not just going to come down to our expected support level to give us a confirmation to continue with the trend just like that. Price is first going to react. There's going to be a little bit of consolidation before price decides to push down to our support level where we are expecting to execute a buy setup, right, which is this support level here. But price is first going to react first. There's going to be a little bit of correction before price come down to this support level where we are looking to execute our buy setup. So in the process of waiting for price to get to this support level, we are going to be looking to execute a counter trend trade around here, right? We are going to wait for price to retest. After a break, we are going to be waiting for a retest, then giving us a confirmation around this zone, and then we execute our entry. We wait for price to break fully, retest, and then we go bearish, we sell bearish. So this is our first outlook on the market on US30. So why are we looking to go bearish here, right? First of all, we are in a psychological zone, 40,600. Second, this is a major support level. This is a major resistant level. Immediately as it breaks this zone now, which is doing now, after the break of the support, it turns to a resistance. So this is a resistant level. Then we'll be waiting for a formation of a bearish engulfing candlestick, or a morning star, or a doji to execute our entry downwards. So this is the counter trend trade that we'll first be expecting to take on US30, right? We're expecting to take this as a counter trend trade on US30. So this is our first move. Whereas if price happens and immediately price happens to get to this support level, then we'll be looking to continue with the direction of the trend, to continue looking for a setup with the direction of the trend. So overall, taking the counter trade, we'll be looking to risk here 100 pips, targeting 200 pips plus. So this is a 1:2 trade, right? Once price gets to this first. Then for Nas100, what are we expecting the market to do? Then before we continue, first of all, what trend are we? We are in an uptrend, right? So in almost probably all the major indices we trade, which is US30, Nas100 and SP500, which I trade and analyze, price is currently consolidating, right? Price is currently consolidating. I showed you guys this on US30. Price is just consolidating, and we are waiting for the drastic move upward. We are waiting for the bullish impulsive move upward. But beside the fact that we are waiting for the impulsive move upward, we need to capitalize where price is currently at. We need to capitalize where price is currently at. Why I'm emphasizing on this bullish impulsive move upward is because on the long run, for us to be able to capitalize more, to be able to fully gain or make money from the direction of the trend, we have to put in mind that whatever trade we are executing that is in the direction of the trend will be held for a longer time. I don't know whether you understand what I'm trying to imply. Whatever trade we are taking in direction of the trend is going to be held for a longer time. We are going to be expecting to scale in more, to trail our stop loss more, to be able to capitalize fully on the impulsive move upward. Enough for the talk, straight down to analysis. So for Nas100, you can see I've already marked up my charts. Now I'm going to break down this analysis, this markup that you are seeing on the screen right now. So on the 60 minutes time frame, which is the 1 hour time frame, right? I know there are lots of markup here, but I'm going to explain what is the mysteries behind all this and what we are expecting as a result of all this markup, what we are expecting right here, right? So on Nas100, you could obviously see I explained that we are in a correcting market, but inside the correction, you will notice also what within the correction, we are in a correction. Now, what am I trying to say, right? If you notice right here on Nas100, this is an impulsive move. Price is bearish here, correcting, bearish, correcting, bearish, correcting. So on the 1 hour time frame, breaking down to the 1 hour time frame, you could see that price is moving more bearish, right? Is moving impulsively on the bearish side of the market, right? So overall, we are on a correction on the higher time frame. All these moves here is a correction on the higher time frame, but within the higher time frame, breaking down to the 1 hour time frame, you will notice that this is an impulsive move. This is a bearish impulsive move downward, right? So we are trying to capitalize now with the current direction of the trend, with the current impulsive move of the trend. That's why first and foremost, I told you guys that here is a correction. This move here, this is a correction. This is a correction. All this move here is a correction, right? All this move here is a correction. So that being said, what we are going to do now, what we are going to expect from Nas100, right, is what? This is what we expect from Nas100. Impulse correction, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. This is the higher low. So what are we expecting? A higher high also, right? A higher high. Right, so we are waiting for a higher high, which is first of all we are waiting to move with the direction of this trend here, this bullish market here, right? We are looking to go with the direction of the bullish market here, right? So if we are to execute this, if we are taking an execution based on this analysis given right here, right, all our entries taken in the 15 minutes time frame. Now if you step down to the 15 minutes time frame to see this more clearly, let me take this out first. Let me take this out so that you understand what I'm explaining right here. Let me take that out, right? So this is the impulsive move, then the correction. So we are waiting for this retest before we go bullish. So before we go bullish, there are certain things we want to see. We want to see what a candlestick reaction or confirmation here. We want to see a candlestick reaction or confirmation here. So you might probably be asking, why do you want to go bullish, right? We want to go bullish. First of all, this is what a psychological zone, 18,700. Second of all, this is a golden Fibonacci zone, which is our 0.5 and 0.6. You understand? These are golden Fibonacci zone. Then the third reason is because we are in a support level. This is a major support level from the higher time frame, 4 hours time frame. Even cutting down, I think this support level is also going to the. So on US30, we are looking towards to go bullish. Sorry, to go bearish first. On US30, we are looking to go bearish first. Then for Nas100, we are looking to first go bullish. right? We are looking to first go bullish. And you notice, guys, I didn't analyze S&P 500. Why? Because S&P 500 right now is in a very serious consolidating state, and I don't want to be right there. S&P 500 hasn't presented any opportunity, any clear opportunity, right? And SAD USD also is approaching all-time high, and the reaction that is going to be taking place in SAD when he approached that all-time high, there are a lot of things that is going to be involved. A lot of sentimental movement is going to be involved there, less technical, more sentimental. So we have to stay away from SAD USD for now. You understand? So for today, but today we are looking to execute entry only on what? US30 and Nas100. So I want you guys to stay tuned for this. Wait for this market, all this analysis to play out. You don't force your entry. You wait. If the market does not happen to play out the way expected on US30, you come down to Nas100. If it happens not to play out, we call it to a day. You understand? We must not take any an entry every day. We wait for the market to play out as analyzed as expected. You understand? So that's why we analyze the market, to see and predict what the next move that is likely to occur. You understand? So all our analysis made on Asian section, we wait for it to be executed on what during New York section. That is for indices. For indices, we execute our entry during New York section. So that is that for today.